Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to turn off age restriction on Discord in 2023. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Alright, let's get started. First, this technique won't work with the Android nor the iOS version, so we'll open up the Discord on our browser. Then tap on the three bars on the top right corner. Then Discover. Then open Discord and make sure you're logged into your account. If not, it will ask you to log in. Once you're in, click on the three bars icon in the top right corner, then the gear icon in the bottom left corner to access your user settings. Now you'll see a bunch of options on the right side. Look for privacy and safety. Click on that. And this is where you're going to make the magic happen. Scroll down until you find allow access to age restricted servers on iOS and enable this option, which I just disabled right now. Enable it again. And there you have it. You have successfully turned off age restrictions on Discord. That's it for today tutorial on how to turn off age restriction on Discord in 2023. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, share it with your friends and who might be facing the same issue.